In this vlog, we finally got our lock fixed. I dropped a bomb for Jennifer and Royal, and we see them do some inappropriate stuff. This is inappropriate. Make sure to watch the end. By pushing the garage button. The reason I have to do this because people don't return the garage clicker. Our first destination is Hoi An. This is a Vietnamese restaurant. When you first walk in, there's a nice ambient atmosphere. It feels very tranquil and peaceful, relaxing. This is where old school meets new school. I say that because they play EDM music. The food here was pretty good. It wasn't the best Vietnamese food I've ever had. The price to quality ratio just didn't connect too well. But we did enjoy the coffee, the cafe soda. That's always a treat. Once we were done eating, we went to an Asian supermarket. There, we saw a building being destroyed. That was kind of a sight to behold.
Oh shit.
While at the supermarket, I saw these two rehearsing. They were rehearsing some type of dance. I'm not too sure. Comment down below what do you think it is.
I don't know. Can you stop it? Come on, man.
Royal, do your dance. Soon after we went home because the house contractors, they contacted us saying that they're sending some guys to fix the lock. Oh, good. Oh, what happened with the door? The lock and the hole, it wasn't aligned properly. So then that's why. So then they repositioned the lock. Yeah. So if I had a drill, probably could have. Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, guys.
Have a good stay.
Thank you. Yeah, have a good night. Press down. Awesome. And now we don't have to feel like someone's gonna come in at night and... Finally, peace and quiet. Or so I thought until I came into this room. Whoa! What are you doing back there? Hi guys. I'm gonna have to blur out that scene earlier. Sorry guys. We keep it PG on this channel. Feel like this right now. I have to blur this out. This is inappropriate. After all that inappropriate scene, I thought it'd be time to give Lisa a surprise. Shh. Okay, we gotta whisper now. I'm slowly sneaking up to her. Hello there. Since I got busted, there's only one thing I had to do. Take her out. Just like how I take out the subscribe button. We decided to go bother Roy and Jennifer once again. After spinning Lisa around a couple times, an idea came into my head. A fantastic idea.
God, jeez.
I dropped a bomb.
Disgusting.
Hey, turn on the heater.
Disgusting shit.
But the plan backfired.
Ah, 냄새.
Instead of getting Ro and Jennifer, it hit Lisa. I'm sorry. After all that fun, all of us were getting hungry, so we decided to go get some hot pot. This place was Royal, what are you doing there? Go to my shop, man. Anyways, this is a hot pot restaurant called Tasty Point. Honestly speaking, this is one of the best hot pot restaurants I've ever had. And I have a lot of hot pot. Show us your hack, Royal.
So the straw hack is that you open it, you turn this thing around, and it holds your straw in place for you.
Interesting.
Yeah.
What's the straw hack for this one? What's the straw hack for this cup? Not only does this place have hot pot for individuals, they have fries for giants. Who needs fries these big? Hey, here's your... Oh my god! They're literally as long as your arms! Why? Why you need french fries this long? So Roy decides to get the braised pork rice. Looks fantastic. And I got the golden spicy beef soup hot pot. Oh, was that delicious. And this is the damage right here. We finished everything. If you ever go to Houston and get a chance to try Tasty Point, I highly recommend it. Tell them Deep in Life sent you. If you pay with cash, you'll get a 5% discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya!